How to squirrel-proof a bird feeder with PVC pipe. Squirrels often steal food from bird feeders and scare away birds. Squirrel-proofing your bird feeder will keep the squirrels away and will help save the food for the birds. Unlike other squirrel deterrents that allow squirrels to get close to the feeders, PVC pipes can be fashioned to prevent the squirrels from reaching the bird feeder in the first place. PVC pipes are also less expensive than buying special bird feeders designed to deter squirrels. Things you'll need: 8-foot long metal pole, 2-inch round PVC pipe, cement mix, plastic panel, 12-inch plank of wood, 1 inch thick and 4 inches wide, saw, drill, hammer, shovel, hanging wire, nails, screws, vegetable oil optional. Squirrel-proof bird feeder pole. Dig a hole in the ground about 1 foot deep. Lower the metal pole into the hole. Fill in the hole with cement. Allow the cement to dry. Cut a piece of PVC pipe about 6 feet long. Slip the PVC pipe onto the metal pole and let it rest at the bottom of the pole. Check that there is a section of the metal pole, at least 18 inches long, sticking out of the top of the PVC pipe. Cut another piece of PVC pipe about 18 inches long. Drill a hole in the pipe about 1 inch from the top. Cut a small piece of wood about 2.5 inches square. Cut another piece of wood about 3 inches long and 2 inches wide. Stand the 3-inch piece of wood up on one end and lay the square piece of wood flat on top, so the two pieces form a 3-dimensional T-shape. Center the 3-inch piece of wood in the middle of the square piece of wood. Hammer a nail through the top of the square piece of wood to attach the pieces together and form a small platform for the bird feeder to sit on. Slip the 3-inch section of the wood into the top of the 18-inch long PVC pipe. Hammer a nail into the hole at the top of the pipe so that it secures the wood to the pipe. Cut out a 2-foot wide circle from the plastic panel. Lay the circular panel on the wooden platform. Check that the panel is strong enough for the birds to sit on but not strong enough for a squirrel. Place the bird feeder on top of the plastic panel on the wooden platform. Attach the bird feeder to the wooden platform by drilling screws through the bird feeder, plastic panel and wooden platform. The plastic panel should be sandwiched between the platform and the feeder. Slip the 18-inch PVC pipe, with the bird feeder attached, over the top of the metal pole. Squirrel-proof hanging bird feeder. Cut 2 pieces of PVC pipe 18 inches long. Grease the pipes with vegetable oil, if you want them to be extra slippery. Slip the bird feeder onto the wire. Slip one piece of PVC pipe onto one end of the wire and the other pipe onto the other end of the wire. The bird feeder should be in between the 2 PVC pipe pieces. String the wire with the bird feeder and PVC pipes between 2 trees. Do not place the wire too high or the squirrels will injure themselves when they fall off the PVC pipes on the wire.